chose to travel to the Hunza Valley to do my sport because this is the location with very, very high mountains and very, very deep valleys. So the difference between the top of the mountain to the place where I would land is very big, which means that there is potential for some of the most amazing wingsuit flights that the world has to offer. I've been in Hunza Valley for about 10 days now. I was very lucky with the weather when I first came here. We had almost a whole week of just beautiful sunshine, so I got to see all the amazing mountains and the beautiful view. And I got to go on many different hikes and treks, which has been absolutely amazing and very beautiful. The people that I've met here have been exceptionally friendly. Everybody smiles and welcomes and is very supportive of my goal and my dreams here. I feel very welcome, very comfortable, very safe, and so far find this place very, very beautiful and very unique. I think that I will come back here. Feels like a place. I feel like I'm gonna come back. I don't think this is gonna be the last time. And there is a mountain which we can't really see right now. It's up there in the clouds. Its name is Ladyfinger Peak. And in my opinion, it's one of the most beautiful mountains I've ever seen. It's a big, sharp peak. It's very characteristic. It's beautiful. And I think that mountain will be, if possible to fly with the wingsuit, one of the most amazing places that this planet has to offer for my sport.